Rose, Sarah, where is she? All run to the window. All girls are running towards window. Amy, there she is on the playhouse porch. Porch means veranda. She is in the playhouse porch. How did she get there? Amy, surprising. Amy asking question. How did she get there? Rose, followed me here. Probably she loves that playhouse, that little monkey. Rose saying reason why Sarah gone there. She loves the little monkey in the playhouse to see that she may go there. Like that she said. Jim goes out calling. Stay where you are, Sarah. I will get you. Stay where you are. எங்கே இருக்கியோ அங்கே இருந்துக்கோ. I will get you. Like that Jim told. Amy, it's lucky the playhouse is on high ground. Amy told the playhouse is lucky. Why? Because it locates on high ground. So it cannot sink in the water. Like that she told. Still at the window. Who? Rose. But it isn't. Look, it's nearly afloat. You said this is lucky house, lucky playhouse, but it is not. It is not lucky house because this also going to afloat. Afloat means it is going to float on the water. The girls gather at the window. All girls gather near the window. There goes Jim. They are seeing the Jim. Look, the water is above his knees. When he was walking in the water, his water is above his knees. So there also more water surrounded. Amy, he will need dry clothes. See if you can find some of that things for Jim. Betty. Amy told Betty to bring their dirty cloth for Jim. Sarah can have Dick's. Sarah can have Dick's. Who is Dick? Amy Marshall's brother. Sarah can have Dick's dress. Like that she told. Rose, there, he has got her. Like that Rose said. Amy, I will make some hot cocoa for everyone. I will make some hot cocoa for everyone. There's a thumping. Thumping means what? Hit heavily. And voices are right. And Jim enters carrying Sarah piggyback. Piggyback. Piggyback means, do you know what is piggyback? Okay, now I am going to show the picture. You see the image, children. That is piggyback ride. That is keep a person on the back and shoulder of another person. That is called piggyback. Okay, don't pronounce pickaback. Piggyback is correct pronunciation. Jim carrying Sarah piggyback. Sarah is beaming. Beaming means smile happily. She enjoying this piggyback ride. So she feels very happy. Sarah, hello everybody. That was fun. Ride some more please, Jim. She asking Jim to one more time a piggyback. Jim, no young lady. That's enough. You are heavy. Like she's dry as a bone. Rose, I'm not. Like that he said. Amy, you can have some of Dad's things. I'm going to get us some supper. Amy told Jim, you have my dad's dress. Like that she told. After that, I'm going to get us some supper. Supper means what? This is an evening meal. Okay, evening meal. As she says this, the lights go out. When she says like this, the lights go out. Power cut. They all gasp and Betty scream. Scream means already I told. In fear, she makes high sound. Jim, trying to sound casual. Powerhouse must be out of commission. So here power cut. Light your candles, Betty, he told her. Betty switches on the flashlight and lights 3 candles. She lights 3 candles and switches on flashlight. Amy, I am glad we have an oil stove for cooking. She told. I am glad. She feel very happy to have oil stove for cooking. Rose, taking a candle. Forward march to the kitchen. They are walk towards kitchen with a candle. First is Rose. Rose goes first. Betty takes a candle and follows. Second, Betty is going behind the Rose. Lost Sarah, with Sarah trailing. Trailing means what? Walk slowly behind of others. All exit right. Humming, tram, 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 the boy are marching. The boys are marching like that. They are humming and moving quietly. Jim, in a low voice to Amy, the river was up another foot, Amy. He told the river was up another foot. One more feet, it rises up. Another hour, and that playhouse would have been floating out in the current. By the next hour, the playhouse would have been floating out in the current. In the current means water. The water moving. The water, it may be float, like that he said. At this rate, the floor here means where they are, there will be underwater by morning. Like this, water rise up means next day morning, we also, here we are standing now, this floor also will be underwater, like that he said. Amy, what will we do then, Jim? What will we do then, Jim? Neither Sarah nor Betty is a strong swimmer. The both Sarah and Betty, they are not a strong swimmer. So what we will do then? Like that water comes means what we will do? Like that she worried. Jim, I am going to climb out on the roof. Now I am going to climb out on the roof and start waving the flashlight. Start waving. Waving means left and right. He is moving the flashlight left and right. Waving the flashlight. Someone will see it and come for us. After reach the roof, I will wave the flashlight. Someone will see it and come for us to help. Like that he told Amy. But who? No one is on the main road and there are no houses within sight of us. To our side there is no house in the street. Then main road there is nobody. Who will come and help us? Like that Amy raised the question. That will be just a pinpoint of light. That will be just a pinpoint. Pinpoint means small area only having light. Aren't you scared? She asking Jim. Aren't you scared? Scared means afraid. Jim, you bet. You bet means that is idiom. Idiom words. You bet means yes, of course. Like that meaning. Are you? I am also getting afraid. Are you? He asked her. Amy, terrified. That means she also getting more afraid. But I am glad you are here. Why she feel very glad? Because Jim was there. So she feel very glad. Jim, we will see it through if we just keep our heads. If we just keep our heads. That also idiom sentence. That means we can manage. We can manage this. Like that he said. Last curtain given. This symbolizes the drama. First scene has ended. Okay. Now the first scene has ended. Water is surrounding their house. The children, what they going to do next? We can see it in the scene 2. Scene 2 in the next class only I will teach you. Now scene 1 only we have completed. Okay children. Now you see the question answer. Question here 6 questions and all given. The 6 questions only your today's homework. I will send the question as well as answer in the WhatsApp group. You have to study and write, then send me very clearly. Okay children, thank you.